Topic for today's debate is AI, its impact on jobs and society. Start.
My name is Nitin Singh, and I am here starting the topic AI and its impact on job and society. Here we are sitting for a good discussion on this topic, and I will start the topic by saying this: AI is very helpful in every fields, jobs, and education sections. As like AI improve very professional like doctors and other lawyers, doctor, engineers, by helping and like they improve their working efficiency and work very good as in less time and very productivity. And taking
According to my friend is leadership, AI is
Fan off.
AI is effect on the society. That means AI is very useful today. Today, like yeah, productivity and efficiency, greater pay, and innovation cars, drivers, and one more time. Yeah, it's artificial that whole IT industry and agriculture pay also one and mental pay and many disadvantages of AI like missing data and privacy and replace jobs. Replace jobs. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Nitin Singh, and today our topic is what impact of AI on society and job. In my perspective, it benefits both sides. Firstly, positive impact on the AI is it increase efficiency of job and it helpful in the repetitive task on chatbot and it helps a lot of work minimize and do a better way. And some and it negative effects on the job is it replaces the job through AI. And we can see some negative effect on society, that is privacy concern. AI is monitoring every privacy data in our society, which is the main negative impact of our society.
Good morning everyone. On my topic is GD, its impact on job, AI, impact on job and society. जैसे नीतीश ने बोला, AI हमारा मतलब डॉक्टर में दुनिया एफिशिएंसी क्रिएट कर रहा है, वो कैसे कर रहा है ये आप रेफर कर सकते हैं.
and in every section and every section, if there is a technology, they have two impact. First is positive impact and second is negative impact. In positive impact, they improve the efficiency of work, human work, and they can improve the working efficiency. They can improve lifestyle. And in negative phase, there is so many negative things about any technology. As like AI can replace a very human work, as like a man working in the any machines, they can replace by human report, and AI can replace so many workers and so many persons by by reducing their work by robots. And
इसमें डॉक्टर का क्या रोल है मैम?
like Wearing machines that are like CT scan machine. AI can improve CT scans by analyzing the human as internal body and can make their AI report and can suggest any recommendation for the doctors that can help to improve your disease, improve your health.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sushant Singh and my topic is AI's impact on society and jobs. Everyone thinks AI can replace jobs, but it's not true. If everyone not using AI, they can replace with their job. And who is using the AI, they can getting a job.
My name is Mr. Sharma. AI is increased ability to productive and efficiency, and AI is used in everything like education, healthcare, and etc. And in this time, AI is everything, and every person are used. And in generally, in future, AI are mostly increased. And
AI जॉब खा रही है, इसमें जॉब उनकी खा रही है जो उनको नॉलेज नहीं AI के बारे में। AI जैसे न्यू जॉब दे रही है, जो नॉलेज नई स्किल के रहा है, जो नई स्किल AI के बारे में सोच रहा है, उसमें जॉब पा रहा है, जिसको नहीं नॉलेज है बाहर कर दिया जा रहा है। ये जैसे प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, जॉब कर रहे हैं, इसलिए जो न्यू स्किल रिक्वायरमेंट है तो सीखना पड़ेगा AI के बारे में, तभी उनको जॉब मिल पाए।
I'm doing this discussion with the topic of AI and the jobs and society. So then, so you all say that AI is reducing jobs and creating some more jobs using AI. Because there is trading everywhere. AI creates so many jobs in each field that we can say medical, agriculture, and infrastructural, industrial areas. There can we are fixing there too many robots that can do some common work which is work too many people together. There is a robot can do that work without any losing their power and without any rest. So and medical department. AI can create job or create so many robotics that can do minor too many critical surgeries which can humans cannot do that, but robots can do it.
Okay, conclude. Anyone?
Okay, let's conclude the topic by I can conclude the topic by saying in any technology and anything that can be begun, there is too many impact जैसे कि दो इम्पैक्ट होता है, एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट होता है, एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट होता है। ऐसे ही सोसाइटी में सेम है, जैसे कि एआई बच्चों की जो भी लर्निंग एफिशिएंसी है उसको थोड़ा बढ़ाता है कि बच्चे ज्यादा मतलब रिसोर्स उनको प्रोवाइड कर देती है और बच्चे ज्यादा पढ़ सकते हैं। लेकिन इसमें एक नेगेटिव ये भी है कि बच्चे थोड़ा लेजी हो जाते हैं और मतलब कि पर्सन में जैसे कि अगर कोई मशीन है, यही मशीन है, रोबोट्स हैं, पहले के लोग थोड़े से मेहनत करते थे जिससे कि उन लोगों का बॉडी फिट होता था, फिजिकल हेल्थ बढ़ता था। लेकिन अभी का ये है कि जो भी रोबोटिक्स मशीन्स जो आ गया है वो मतलब कि ह्यूमन की एफिशिएंसी को बहुत घटा दे रहा है, जिससे कि हमें लेजी हो जा रहा है और बहुत सारी बीमारियों से भी ग्रसित हो जा रहा है। इससे मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि हर एक चीज अपने लिमिट के आधार पे उसको यूज करें, अपनी बॉडी की भी थोड़ा सा फिटनेस रखें, उसके लिए भी एआई का यूज उतना ही करें जितना कि काम चल सके। बाकी एआई की अपने ग्रोथ के लिए जरूर करें। धन्यवाद।